What's going on, everyone? Thank you so much for checking out this video. So today we're going to go over how to print and matte with the Canon PIXMA Pro-100 so you can hang up beautiful photos in your home or even sell them. But before we begin, if I can get you guys to like this video and subscribe, that would be awesome. And now let's begin. Alright, so the products you will need are double-sided tape and invisible tape, Canon Photo Paper Plus Semi-Gloss 8x10, 11x14 matting kit with the front and the backing, and of course the laptop or any computer, and also of course the Canon PIXMA Pro-100. Alright, sweet. Now that we already went over everything that you need, let's open this image up in Photoshop. So I'm just going to briefly go over how to print with this. If you guys want a more in-depth tutorial, I will link below. It's my video on how to print with the Canon PIXMA Pro-100. So this will really just be the basics on how to print and nothing really too advanced. So this is the photo that I will be printing here. So let's go to File, Print. Make sure the Canon Pro-100 series is selected. Let's go to Print Settings. I will be printing 8x10, so let's go to 8x10 borderless. Quality and media. For the photo paper, I'm using semi-gloss. Rear tray. Print quality high. Save that. Color handling. Photoshop manages colors. Printer profile, find the paper that you have. So the Canon Pro Semi-Gloss. Normal printing, relative, black point, position center, height and width. So these aren't really ever gonna be exact with the paper size, but I usually just like to do that. So we get 8x12, which is totally fine with me, which gives you the ability to go up and down with the photo and just find a nice composition there. So I will be happy with that. And everything else can be clicked off. So all you have to do now is click print. And it will send it to the Canon Pro-100. Alright, so unfortunately I cannot print the photo that I had up because the printer is having issues with colors. So that brings up my point. If you guys want to see the pros and cons of this printer, I will link it below. I made a video on that about a week ago. So I just dug up this old 8x10 print right here that I have where the colors are just fine with it. And it's just a lone tree, almost like the other photo, but not the same, obviously. So we'll go ahead and matte this and I'll show you guys the step-by-step. So first, let's get rid of the double-sided tape for now and the backing. So these 11x14 matting kits that I get have a very nice beveled edge on the outer side, and these just look beautiful hung up in picture frames or even by themselves. So let's start with the beveled edge outside, and then we're gonna flip it over and grab our new print. Now since this print has a strong horizon line, we have to make sure this print is nice and straight. So we're gonna take the print and flip it upside down. Take your invisible tape here, take a little piece, tape one corner like that, and tape another corner in the opposite side. Flip it over and see how it looks. And to me, that is pretty dead on with the horizon. So what we can do now is flip that back over, get your invisible tape again, tape the other corners now. So now you have 4 corners taped up. You can do even more and do the sides, but I don't usually go that far. So now we are done with this, and now let's bring in your backing and your double-sided tape. For the double-sided tape, get a generous amount and place it along the top, the sides, and also the bottom. Alright, so now I have all 4 sides double-sided taped, and now take your backing and line it up as best as you can with the top and bottom. Try to line it up before you stick it on the tape so you don't have to try to peel it back off. And once you're good with alignment, give it a nice pressure around all the sides. And flip it over, and there you go. Now you have a beautiful 11x14 matted photo. If you made it this far, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions at all, please leave them below and I will gladly answer them. And again, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.